Hi, my name is Jojo and welcome back to my channel. I like to help bloggers grow their blogs, and I also like to help people live a life with joy and simplicity and basically thriving in life while keeping things as simple as possible, because to me, I follow the rule KISS, which means keep it stupid simple. So even though I have a doctor's appointment today and I'm gonna be running tons of errands on this really gloomy day that we have here in Germany, today I'm choosing to be sunny, bright, happy, and confidently beautiful. And doing my makeup aligns with that today, except I have to keep it within 5 minutes because I have to go to a doctor's appointment after this. So I'm gonna show you what I do to get ready within 5 minutes. So this is my vanity right here, and I have this drawer just with the makeup I need to get ready. Everything is already here, and actually ever since I had to set up, I haven't felt like reaching for any of the other makeup that I have in my kit. So let's go ahead and get started. So execution is gonna take more than 5 minutes because I'm talking at the same time, but I also don't wanna take too long because I gotta go. So I got contacted by the brand Merit that focuses on minimalist beauty. And when they contacted me, I was like, that is really what I'm all for about. Thank you for contacting me. So they sent me makeup. I got to choose the ones that I wanted. I chose like my color and all the shades that I liked. And I liked everything they had, and pretty much all the makeup they sell is exactly what I have in my little minimalist kit, except everything that they sent me, I've already replaced each item because they're just really good. So I'm just gonna put it under my eyes, just in the parts where it's a bit darker. So the way I like to do my makeup is I still like to show my blemishes. If I still have any dark under eye shadows, I still let that show through, but it's a little bit less, and I still look like me. So this is like a foundation stick or a concealer stick, but I like to only use one shade because, you know, some people like to put a brighter shade under their eyes and then like the same shade as their skin for the rest of their face. I just keep it simple and only use one shade for the rest of my face. So I'm just tapping under my eyes just to blend out the makeup, and it's very blendable. Okay, so everything's blended. All I did was put the foundation under my eyes and around my nose. Is it a foundation or is it a concealer? It's a complexion stick, so I guess it can be both, but coverage is pretty good. I already look better already. So when I found out about Merit Beauty, I heard that they focus on living minimally, holistically, but living minimally also doesn't mean sacrificing on quality. So basically, when you choose items that you want in your life, that you want to buy, you make sure that the quality is high so you can really treasure them. I don't know, that's how living minimally is for me. I choose high quality items that I know will last long and that I will be using for like how many years onwards. And it doesn't have to be super expensive. Sometimes I buy clothes from Uniqlo and then they still last me like for 5 years. So when I heard about Merit Beauty and how they focus on like luxury feel but more accessible to like general public, I was like, that is pretty much how I live my life. All right, so the next step is to add a highlight to my skin. And I've got 2 shades over here by Merit. Canva looks more like a champagne color, and then Bounce looks more like a creamy, sheeny color. I interchange between both colors. Yesterday I used Canva, today I'm gonna use Bounce. So I like to put the highlight here, top points of my cheeks, under my brow bone, on top of my brow bone, and then on my nose. Oh, sorry, I'm like blocking the view. And then here on the cupid's bow, because I think it looks really cute when my lips shine out that way. Basically the high points of the face. And then I'll take my ring finger, again, keeping things minimally. I'm not using any brushes for this makeup look. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. And what I really like about the highlighter is that it's very balmy, and you can't even tell up close on my skin like what's glitter. I don't know, it looks like, you know, when you're sweaty, it has that little glow on your face, so that's what I'm going for, and that's what I see on camera, which is good because that's the look I want. All right, next up, I'm gonna take my cream blush. This one is by Douglas. So it's a cream blush. What I do is tap my finger. Color is pretty strong, so I'll tap in the back of my hand, and then just focus it on my cheeks over here. Because my face is a bit more rounder and angular, I don't like to focus it here on front. I like to focus it on the side and just follow my cheekbones, which kind of goes up in an angle. It also helps if you have a really good sunscreen under your skin. That way all your cream products blend in very smoothly. And this is also why I like cream products, even though I have oily skin. Everything just blends really fast. I don't need a brush. I don't need multiple brushes. I just have my hands. And I feel like hands are the best tool, whether putting on makeup or cooking in the kitchen. So this is the black brown eyebrow gel from Merit. I'm just gonna swipe it over my brows. My hair is very dark, but my eyebrows are pretty light, so I just want to make sure it's filled in and it looks like my hair matches my eyebrows. Next up is an eyelash curler. For me, an eyelash curler makes the biggest difference in how my eyes look. I just look more awake. Sometimes, even when I'm just staying at home, all I do is curl my lashes and it makes the biggest difference. My husband has these beautiful long lashes to the point where it looks like he has eyeliner. I wish I had his eyelashes, but I'm happy with mine. Next up, I'll follow it up with mascara, and my favorite one to use for a more natural look is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. What I like to do is hold my mirror actually at an angle, kind of like this, and just look down. That way I'm not like kind of looking straight and like really opening my eyes when really I just need to look down. And those are my lashes. So the next step is my lips. Normally I just put on chapstick and I'm good to go, but I'm gonna do a little bit something special today. So I actually have these two colors called Marrakesh and Pink Beat. They are pretty similar in colors, but when I put on my lips, they look a little bit different. Marrakesh is a little bit deeper. Pink Beat is a little bit more brighter. So today I'm gonna go with Marrakesh. So it's kind of like my lips, but better color, but I like this one because it's a little bit orangey on the warmer side. What I'm gonna do is something that I learned from my mom. I like to brighten up my lip colors. So what I do with that is I actually put my foundation or my concealer, anything that's the same shade as my skin, and pop it onto my lips. But not a lot, just like that. And then I'll put a color on top. So I do the same trick in fall and winter, except I'll use a brown shade darker than my lips and then put any lip color I want on top of that. That way the lips show up more darker and it's more like in season with the colors of fall and winter. That way you don't have to buy new lip colors, you can use the exact same ones, especially when you find the right one that fits with your skin tone. Like if you're more olive skin or more pink or more yellow. I feel like once you find the right lip shade, you don't want to leave that one, but you also just want different varieties of it. So that's a good trick to do. Thank you, Mom. So this is like a lip oil with tint. I think it's a lip oil tint. I love the color. I love the color so much. So I'm gonna be using the Innisfree No Sebum Moisture Powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eyes over here because I always crease under. And then I'll put in some powder on my forehead right here and then over here. I'm not going to put powder on my highlight and my cheeks here because I want that to shine. I'm just gonna put it in other areas of my face. And then the very last step, setting spray. So this one's by BH Cosmetics and I like it because it smells very beachy. And then I take my bye-bye and I start fanning myself. That way I'm not going around with a wet face. Everything is dry and I feel like it really helps set the setting spray and the makeup. Alright, so that's my 5-minute morning makeup look. It's also the makeup look I tend to do at nighttime. I'll just put on eyeliner if I feel like it. But today, I feel great. It's aligned with feeling sunny and happy and bright, and I'm happy with the makeup that I did today. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I hope this video gave you some insight on living minimally and keeping things as simple as possible while being happy at the same time. So I'll see you in the next video and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!